Okay, now, again, business, the polynomial, blah, 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 models of profit. The second item sold as the same price brings a profit of that. Write a polynomial that expresses the total profit. So what do you mean? What do you think they mean when the total profit? What do you do? Just add them together. We've been working on adding and subtracting. So it's either add or subtract. All right. So all you're doing now, go ahead, I don't care, is adding them together. Now, if you want, you can make it difficult, but let's just look at the S cubes. How many S cubes are there? So everybody should have written 2S cubed. Now I have a negative S70S squared and a negative 30. So that's what? Negative 100S squared. And then 1,500 and 450 is what? And then negative 10,800 and negative 5,000 is? That's it. That was not that hard. The total profit. All right, just adding them up. And if that was addition, probably the next one, without even looking at it, is probably what? Probably subtraction. All right, not 100% sure, but I'm just taking a guess, haven't even read it. The measure of the two sides of a triangle are given. The perimeter is that. Find the measure of the third side. So we are missing the what? Third side. So this one is a little bit more complicated. But if I said this was 10 and this was 15 and the perimeter was 30, then what would I do? Add those two and subtract it from 30. That's how you're supposed to think if you don't know something. Just put numbers down so you can visualize it. All right, so he said perfectly. He said, go ahead and add these two together. And when I add those together, what do I get? 8x plus 3y. Come on now, please participate, right? If you just participate in class, you should be able to get a C. All right, if you do your homework, you should make an A. All right. Now, we did 8x plus 3y. Then he said, subtract that from what? From this. So you're supposed to write down 10x plus 5y minus that whole thing, 8x plus 3y. That was the problem that most people ran into. They didn't distribute the negative. So technically that's subtracting 8x and subtracting 3y. So then that y, or that side right here, is what? 2x plus 2y. That's what that side is. All right. Now, would anybody like me to address any of the other problems that I asked you to do? Go. All right, I'll try 28. So this is considered a binomial, or not a binomial, but a monomial. Now, remember, some of you came up and asked me if there's a 7 in the denominator, then it's not. No, that's not true. The variables can't be in the denominator. The numbers are allowed to be there. All right. The numbers can. All right, just hurry up and open it. Hurry up. All right. You can hear it all on video if you watch it. All right. Anybody else? What? Good for you. Let's look at 29. Now, this is not a polynomial because it's -4. Okay, you variables cannot have negative exponents. All right, what? Misha, good for you.
For 28, what was the degree?
The degree, oh, thank you very much. The degree is the value of the exponent. This exponent is a 1. All right, Evan.
Wait, so 29 is just nothing?
Not a polynomial.
And then
And the problem is, the reason I'm giving you that look is because we did the same exact thing up here. All right, if it wasn't a polynomial, did we do anything else? Right, it's not a polynomial, so there's no degree, there's no binomial, it's not a polynomial, so it can't have a degree. What?
That's
Because the exponent is negative. No negative exponents. All right, come on, guys. Good job. I got a lot to do. The more we do, the less we have homework. All right, anybody else want me to explain something? Nobody? All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video. Hopefully you're hearing me, Cole. I appreciate you being here, buddy. Meeting, I'm going to pause the recording. Okay, now, again, exactly the same, right? It's just so repetitive. All right, now, again, we've kind of done this already. Multiplying polynomials by monomials. Now, the reason why I said that is because all we're doing is doing the distributive property. All we're doing is doing the distributive property. So everybody stay with me on number one. All right, let's go ahead. Reese, why don't you tell me what you think the answer is to number one?
Is it 5x,
To the
sec
good plus.
x to the greater?
That's exactly right. You're using the rules that you learned last week and now applying them to binomials or trinomials or polynomials. Don't look with a crazy look on your face. Now, remember what I told you. If you don't know, I'm trying to show you, you are smart enough to make and draw your own conclusions. Put your hand down, listen to me. Once you learn to draw your own conclusions from the examples, you will be super smart. If all you do is sit there and tell me and take my answers and write them down, that's not helping you. You need to look at this and say, how in the world did the crazy guy get 5x squared? How did he do that? What did I do to the exponents?
X plus X.
You just added the exponents. Now, the rule is you multiply numbers, and what do you do to exponents? You add them. I want you to draw your own conclusions, and you will be then considered brilliant. If all you do is repeat information, that's not good. All right, draw your own conclusions. I promise it'll change. All right. So now I got Josh on number 2. Give me the answer.
4x cubed
Good,
plus 3x squared
good.
plus 2x.
You are amazing. What?
There's 2 different variables.
We're going to get to that. I promise. I'm on number 3. Here we go. Evan, give it a shot, man. Let's go. Shh. Sometime today, though. Shh. Brilliant.
Ax cubed y.
You are awesome. Thank you, Evan. Very good. All right, let's go over to Avery, number 4. Good. 4G to what power?
4g to the second power.
Good.
And then plus 2 to the second power.
Now, no, come on. You're
Plus,
you're multiplying -2 times 2.
sorry, negative 4.
Don't be sorry. Okay, just I know you're doing so -4 what?
But why would, oh, this is the g. I thought if there wasn't a g, then we wouldn't use it.
I can't help your thoughts. Remember what I told you? All right. I'm showing you 2g, -2g times 2 is -4g. Right? That's what you need to do. Now do number 5 and listen to Allie. Everybody's writing down 5 before Allie tells you the answer. That way you know if you know what you're doing. And after 50 problems, you should be good. Go.
So 3x to the 5th,
I'm listening.
and then plus 3x to the 4th, plus 3x cubed.
You are amazing. All right, Luca, come on, help me out.
So negative 8x to the 4th. And then 8
What kind of 8?
plus 8 to the
Mm-hmm.
and plus negative 12x.
Good. We don't have to say plus negative. All right, but that's okay. All right. Now stop me now if you're not getting the right answers. All right. Trey, go.
And negative 40 ax plus or not plus.
I know.
Minus 12 ax squared.
Right. When you say plus minus, I know what you're doing. You see the plus. All right.
Yeah, I'm just
I'm
like-
totally fine with it. Number 8, Jolie, let's go.
6x.
How are we getting? Are we on number 8?
Oh, yeah, sorry. 12, negative 12xy
Good.
minus 18x cubed y
Good.
minus 6y squared.
We are awesome. All right. Good work. Good work, everybody. Number 9, let's go. Molly.
Would you just add?
Multiply numbers, add exponents. That's the rule. I want you to always, if you ever have trouble, multiply numbers.
So 6x.
6. Now, how many x's? X to the
Third.
right.
And then y to the third.
Yes, ma'am. Keep going.
2.
Wait, you're multiplying
Okay, 4.
4. Don't be sorry. Just practice.
4x.
Now, there's no x's over here. So,
4y to the
no, you got to put in this.
4x to the second.
And then how many y's?
Y to the third.
Yes.
And plus 10x to the third.
And then,
Y to the second.
now that's correct. All right. Now, that one was the hardest so far. So if you're not sure, what?
Can you add some more people, please?
What did you want, Brennan?
No, wouldn't it be the fourth?
That would mean I'm wrong.
No, number 8.
What?
Why is it- Oh, no. It's the,
Why is it to the third?
because, y.
There's no x's, right? There's no x's. True? I'm adding the y's and the y's together. There is no, you with me now, Brennan?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, now we're simplifying. Go. What do I have to do first?
Distribute.
Yes, go.
You get 3x squared minus 4x minus 5x.
Now what?
And you get 3x squared minus 5.
Wow, how does it feel? Right, brilliant, right? Not a stutter there. All right, because you're working hard. All right, Brennan, go. Y minus. Plus what?
Minus.
Plus, I can't, I-
No, 4x plus minus 5.
good, good. Now, come on, man.
2x squared. And then negative 2x squared.
2x to the third power is cubed, but that's okay. Keep going. I know what you meant.
Minus
Yep,
2.
yes. Wow. Come on, man. Keep it up. Make an A on your next test. All right, next, go.
Oh, okay. First you have to distribute.
Thank you.
6a, so then 12a. And then
12A what?
12ab.
12A squared.
And then minus 6, what would be 6ab?
Don't ask, tell me.
6ab plus or minus 8a plus
8A what?
squared plus 10ab.
Okay, finish.
Okay, so then 4a squared plus 4ab.
Yeah, everybody do the work and everybody can get it right. All right, here we go. 13. You got a tricky one now. You got a long one. So let's go. No stuttering.
So you distribute. So
I know that.
AR cubed
Keep going.
minus 12R squared
Keep going.
plus 20R
Brilliant.
plus 24R cubed
Good.
plus 12R squared
Amazing.
plus 48R.
Wow. Beautiful. Now,
Now you have 32R to 6.
no.
Keep it, never mind. And then that cancels out, and then you have 68.
Good. All right. Very good. Very good. All right. Here we go. 14. Come on. Lead us, Eddie.
Okay, so 1 times 10,
I know that. Just tell me the answer.
12n to the third,
Good.
and then plus 4n to the second,
Good.
and then minus 16n
Good.
minus 3n,
Good.
and then plus n to the
Yes. Come on. Get to writing. You're supposed to do it before he tells you the answer. That's the problem. No daydreaming allowed. Next.
and then 12, and then
Good. Say it.
12n plus 4n.
12n what?
Oh.
Look up. There's nothing you can do to 12n cubed, right? There's no other n cubes. So now we find the squares.
So 12n plus 5n
Good job.
squared,
Then what?
and then minus 19n.
You are amazing. Good. All right. Very nice. All right, Jackson, don't embarrass me. Go.
2b, you have to
Uh,
2b cubed,
That's right.
then 8b squared.
Good job.
8b squared,
Good job.
and plus 16b
All right, man. Go.
minus 9b cubed.
Good.
Plus 27b squared.
How about minus 27?
Minus 27b.
Right? That's where everybody makes their mistake, distributing a negative. What's 3 times 18?
54.
Wow, good. 54 what?
Plus 54b squared.
Why b squared?
Oh, just b.
Just b. All right, now,
And then you have to do 2b minus, so negative 7b cubed,
good.
8b squared, minus 27b squared.
Is
Negative 21b, or negative 19b squared.
good job, buddy.
And then plus 16b plus 54b is 70b.
No reason. No reason for you to be a little bit behind. Not even a little bit. All right, that's perfect. Perfect, perfect. All right, Tyler, go.
Negative 8z cubed plus 6z squared minus 2z minus 3z cubed minus 2z squared plus z.
Yes. All right, come on now.
Negative 11z cubed. And then 4 plus 4z squared. And then what's left? I can't remember here.
That's okay. So I did the last two here. Shh, shh, leave them alone.
Okay, and just negative.
Right. Negative z. Easy. Easy, easy. Super easy. Did I skip you?
Skip me for every single day.
Oh, wow.
There's a reason.
Oh, that because you're in the middle row. You're like not with
No,
everyone
we-
else.
We don't want to spend an hour.
All right, go 17. Go, Maya.
Okay, 8x²
Good,
minus 4x,
good,
plus 18x².
good,
Minus 12 plus 2x² minus 2x.
good,
And then it's 28x².
good,
And then minus 18x.
minus what?
So minus 4x and then it's, oh wait, oh that's a negative. I thought that's right. Minus 4x, negative 6x,
Then,
minus 4.
great. Okay, now we're solving this equation. Okay, Avery, distribute.
So 3x is in minus 15x.
No. No, it's not to the second power. Just negative 15x, right? Do you agree? Okay,
3x to the second power. And then how do you use if it says
I'm asking you a question. What's that? What? What happens to the 3x² and the negative 3x²? I'm asking you what happens to them. What happens? Yeah, they cancel. So it's just negative 15x.
So the x equals
Yes, that's it. Every single time. Well, next week, I'm going to teach you how to solve a quadratic. This week, we don't know how to solve quadratics. So what's always going to happen to the second term? It's always going to do what? If it doesn't cancel, you did it wrong. Okay, so here we go. Allie, go 19.
6x squared plus 12x. And then 6x squared plus 24.
So what happens,
The 6x squared cancels out.
right?
And then x would equal 2.
X equals 2. Beautiful. All right, 20. Go.
8p plus 4, then minus 12p equals 16p plus 24.
Good. Now what is this?
4p, negative 4p.
Now what?
You bring it over to the right.
Yeah, just tell me.
20p.
Good equals.
Is it negative 20?
Yes, sir. Good job.
So c equals negative 20.
Yes, that's what I want. Perfect. Reese, 21, go.
12x plus 8 plus 2 10 equals 4x minus 16.
You're right. I'm going to put 12x plus 10. Now what?
Would you bring 4x over?
Yep, so that becomes,
3x
and then,
equals negative 26.
okay,
And x equals
which reduces to, yeah, 13 over 4. If you can do that in your head, I'm good with that. I knew 26 over 8. They both are divisible by 2. So I just went ahead and did the divisible by 2. All right, that's what I want. Solving the equation, super duper important. All right, so we're getting lots of practice in on that. What?
for 21, I thought you said if something didn't cancel out, you did something.
If I said if the x squareds don't cancel.
Oh, that x.
Next, Josh, you're up. Go.
3x squared minus 6x equals 3x squared plus 5x minus 1.
Now what?
X equals 11.
Now hold up a second. What happened first? You went too fast. What happens to the x squareds?
They cancel.
So now what do I need to do?
You move the plus 5x over
So it's going to be,
negative 11x.
there you go. So what does x equal?
X equals.
Perfect. Evan, 23, let's go. Good job. Okay. Yes, Maya, go. 24.
Mine's salt.
What does it say? Read the directions.
I need salt.
Okay, go. Hurry up.
Negative 14h cubed minus 8h squared.
Good. Brennan. 25, let's go.
I'm at 18.
Which one is to the third power,
That is
right? And then
plus 24 Q Q2.
good, good, good. Come on. Like I said, don't let me do the work. You try first. What? Yeah, you're doing 26.
15 JK to 15 JK squared.
What about the J? Right. You didn't say that though. You're right. It's 15 J squared K squared plus what?
Plus 10 K squared.
What about the J? No, it doesn't matter. You put them together. 5 times. So say it again now.
10 J squared.
J. How many J's are there? 1.
Plus J.
And then K to the. Now I need you to look that over and make sure you understand it.
I just think they get mad if just-
Well, it doesn't matter. Now you know, right? That's why I'm asking you to look it over and make sure you understand it. 15 J squared K squared. Each one of these has 1 as an exponent. So you add the exponents.
So you're saying when you say it aloud, you're saying.
Yeah, that's 15 J squared K squared, right?
Uh-huh.
You sure you understand that?
Yeah.
All right, Molly, go. 27.
6 RT cubed
Good.
minus 9R squared. And
You're awesome. That's it. Very nice. All right, 28.
Wait, can I see
Hold
that?
on a minute. I don't want you seeing and writing it down. Okay, good. What?
What's the difference?
Shh.
of
I didn't hear you
What's the difference of R squared and T not being squared?
because there's 1 T here, kiddo. There's no T's here. Right?
Right, there's no J's.
There was a JK here and a JK here, which made it J squared K squared.
Yeah, no.
Now over here, there are 2 Ks and 1 J. 2 Ks and 1 J. If I
You're saying that.
5 JK times 2K, 5 times 2 is J K. Now you're with me, right? Okay. All right, I'm happy. Now I'm on, who's doing 28? I forgot. Jolie,
How much?
you don't need a calculator because 1/4 means divide by 4. You have to know that. So read this number. Shh. And then what's this?
3/4.
No.
Oh, divided by 4.
What's 8 divided by 4?
2.
But it's negative, so it would be
So it's negative 2m cubed.
right. Now this is a 1. So it's just 1/4, right? So negative times a, yeah, is a, right. So tell me the answer.
4 squared.
Now you stuttered on that, so I need to make sure you're good.
Yeah, I just was confused.
Okay, now you got it, right?
Yeah.
Now, is the answer going to be positive or negative for the next one?
Positive
And you're reading this number,
7
and then
divided by 4.
does that go evenly? So you leave it as a,
Fraction.
right, that's it.
Oh,
And then leave the what? Don't forget,
the M, yeah.
yeah, don't forget the M. All right, for those of you guys who are still a little bit hesitant on the fractions, make sure you're paying attention closely. All right, here we go. So now you have to do 9 divided by what? And then multiply by. All right, Jolie, did you hear what I just said? All right, so go, Trey.
6n to the 4th plus or minus 2n to the 3rd minus 4n squared.
Thank you, sir. That's really good. Anybody need help with the fractions or the numbers there? Divide and multiply. Divide and multiply. All right, Jackson, let's go. 30.
30, negative 6l squared minus 8l
Nope. Plus.
plus 8l plus 7l.
Good. Then what?
So, minus 6l squared plus 15l.
Nice. 31. Let's go, Eddie.
Alright, negative 35 w squared plus 15w minus 4w cubed plus 38w squared.
Nice work,
plus
man.
4w.
Nice work. Okay.
And,
Start with the largest exponent.
okay, so negative 35w squared.
Nope.
I don't know, I was minus something. And then it's 3w.
I want this first, though. Always write in descending order. So you always look for the largest exponent.
So negative 4w cubed.
That's correct.
And then negative 45w squared plus 38w squared, and you get 3w squared.
How many?
3w.
Negative 35 plus 3. Shh, no one's asking you.
Oh, my God.
What is that?
Negative 35 plus 3 is negative 30 squared.
Don't forget to say W.
Negative 32w squared.
Okay,
And then plus 19w.
plus 19W. Beautiful. All right, here we go. 32. Oh, hold up.
2 times 19 is 38.
Oh, that's right. We forgot to put the, how did I put 3?
And that's when he said.
Hold on.
3w.
Yeah, thank you. So let's go back. I'm sorry about that. So Eddie, you see what I'm saying? I don't know why I put a 3 there. Here we go. That's 38. Hold up. We got to go back and fix it. So thank you. That's 38w squared, which then makes it positive 3w squared. Thank you, girl. You got that right. That was my fault. All right, Jack. Oh, no. You're up.
Negative 21g squared plus 6g plus 3g squared plus 6g plus 3. Wait,
Yep.
yeah, plus 3 plus 15g squared minus 9g.
Yay. Okay.
And then,
Now what I do is I try to do these first because that's easy, right? So how much is that?
18 t and then minus 21.
Which is,
and 3.
yeah, that's how I do it.
3t squared. And then it's 12g, 4g.
12 minus 9.
Oh, I'm at 3g.
Right. Don't worry. You're doing good. And then,
plus 3.
yep, beautiful. All right, Tyler, let's go, buddy.
Negative 6m cubed minus 15m
Minus what?
10.
Good. You're good. Keep going.
Oh wait. Minus 12
Good.
plus 6m cubed
Good.
plus 9m squared plus 3m.
Beautiful. Go.
And so the 6m cubes cancel out.
Good.
It's negative 7.
You forgot something. Squared comes before.
Oh, sorry. And nothing goes with the squares, so
Right.
it's 9m squared.
Good.
9m squared minus 7m,
Good.
and then minus 12.
Yep. That's how easy. All right. I'm super happy with you guys. That was a great job. Great job. So all you got to do is those final 8 equations. That was very good. Very good. Hopefully you got the practice you needed. Hold on one second. All right, guys. I hope you all having a great day, and I hope you guys are studying a little bit. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Mr.